I tried replacing timer control board on this Arcade 1-Up, but it didn't fix the problem. And then I investigated deeper and I found this burnt circuit right in here. Now this is attached to the now cracked and broken display, which is separate from the backlight here and separate from the touch control, which is actually integrated into this glass here on this chip. That's the touch chip. You can see those cables are running out to still connected to this capacitance touch piece. So that means they're separate, and that means we could theoretically use any screen from a 32-inch to replace this with, but I believe that once we see that tape burnt, you can see this is basically glued onto here. 1,000 tiny little guys, and this is just completely integrated right into the screen. So, from what I can tell, this whole 32-inch panel would need to be replaced if you've got an issue with these boards rather than the T-Con or timer control board.